Welcome to Garage-utopia. Today we have this air riveter for a quick test. Here are the specifications. It is suitable for stainless rivets 332, 1/8 and 5/32 inches, and aluminum rivets for 332, 1/8, 5/32 and 3/16 of an inch. It says on the box traction power 30,000 libras, average air consumption 0.3 cubic feet per stroke, air inlet 1/4 inch, hose size 3/8 of an inch, total length 230 millimeters, recommended air pressure 90 psi. So let's open the box. This is the tool. The housing is made of metal. On the bottom are the adapters for various rivet sizes. In the box does come with this plastic cup. The cup fits on the rear size somehow. We'll do that later. 1/4 inch inlet adapter for the air, a key for tightening. Actually, this is not for tightening, it's for replacing the various and practically there's on each one there's a writing of the size. The size it's written in millimeters, I suppose. And in the box there's also some kind of user manual. How do you connect it? Air supply, an air compressor of at least 1 horsepower with CFM delivery of 90 psi, 6.2 bars, with an air tank with minimum of 12 gallons capacity is required. Coupling as shown in the illustration above may be used to do correct couplers directly to the air inlet. They increase the overall bulk of the tool, put an unnecessary strain on the tool inlet threads, and deteriorate rapidly due to vibrations. Safety rules. Actually, if you buy it, you can read that all. This is parts list. If something goes wrong, you can replace it if you can find it for buying. So let's put it to the test with some. I'll make some holes in steel tubing and steel plate off camera, and we'll do a test for the rivets of this green machine. So I made some holes in scrap metal to test the rivet gun. Unfortunately, the provided adapter doesn't fit my quick connector, so I changed to the one that fits. Seems to operate. Here we have a wind 1.2 millimeter thick galvanized steel plate, and I made 3 holes for 3 millimeters rivet nuts and 3 holes for the 4 millimeter rivet nuts. So firstly we're gonna test this one, and I got this 4 millimeter thick steel plate and 4.8 millimeters rivet nuts, a bit longer, about 10 millimeter long. Unfortunately, I don't have the maximum size. That should be 6 millimeters rivets, but we can do a test for this one. So let's try how does it operate. One go. This should go in here. Something is gone. So with it, it's quite violent, so not for precise work, and plastic, no good for plastic and soft materials. As you can see, pulled it quite nicely. Let's try the 4 millimeter rivets. You have to apply some pressure because there's a spring inside. Here is the 4 millimeter nozzle. Quite violently. As I can see, there is no way of choosing power. Maybe and the 4 millimeters rivets are tightened properly. Apply some pressure and screw in the nozzle. And let's see how does it operate with 4.8 millimeters rivets, 4 millimeters thick steel plate. No issue at all. So the plastic cap collects the needles that are pulled out of the rivets, so then they don't fly around your workshop. So the tool seems quite okay. Unfortunately, I don't have the biggest size available for the rivets to test, but it seems quite capable of pulling even the thickest of the rivets. And also I don't have stainless rivets, only this aluminum rivets with steel needles or nails, how you call it, and it's quite capable of doing your work. For the price, pretty good tool. Cheers and see you in another video.